Hi, today is Monday, August 12th, 2025. Uh, this Friday is a holiday for all the Koreans because it's the Independence Day. We got independent from Japanese colonial occupation. Our nation was subject to the Japanese rules for 35 years, and we got our own independence from Japan in August 15th, 1945, when the US bombed the shit out of Japan on August 11th, I think, and 12th, Hiroshima and Nagasaki. So I only have 3 more days to go before the weekend. Thanks God is Thursday, right? It's so TGIT, right? So I am super excited about that. I already came to work. I'm at our labor union's office at the moment. I changed my routine a little bit until yesterday. Until today, I just came to work around 7:30 in the morning, and I turn on the computer and fill up my teacup with pu'er tea or nomi shang tea that I bought in China. And then I just searched, went through the emails briefly and checked out my social media account, and I just checked the information on the company bulletin boards, and then I started to read an English article. But now I just turn on the computer, fill up my cup of tea, then come to this labor union's office to read English. Then once I'm done with it for 30 or 40 minutes after, right, then I will start to work. So I changed the routine because sometimes while I was reading the articles, some labor union members came to office and interrupted my beautiful, fantastic reading. So that's no good, no good, right? China. So let's do it. Physics facts. South Korea, my country, right? I work for Korea Telecom, KT, the number one carrier in Korea, and also number one mobile service provider, cloud service provider, and AI service company. So when you come to work in Korea, you need to contact me for your mobile service need. Your company's corporate internet different, right? We have a home internet, office, Soho internet, and the big corporation internet, military governmental agency internet different. And cloud service needs, we are partner of Microsoft Azure, and also we have our own cloud service and data centers. South Korea developed a damless hydro system that powers cities using ocean wave compression. In a powerful ocean breakthrough, South Korean engineers have designed a hydroelectric system that generates electricity from ocean waves without dams or turbines, using underwater pressure chambers that compress air to drive power generators. Compress air, not water compression, right? Water is much difficult to compress. This innovation could unlock clean energy across the world's coastlines without harming ecosystems or blocking marine routes. The system, called Aqua Pulsar, uses a series of submerged domes placed along the seafloor. As waves pass over, water pressure increases inside the domes, compressing internal air chambers. The compressed air is then funneled through a pipeline to onshore generators when it spins turbines and creates electricity, all without moving mechanical parts underwater. Because it uses wave pressure instead of traditional turbines, the system is silent, fish safe, and invisible from the surface. Yeah, I think it's safe, right? Fish is safe, and fish doesn't get into the system, or fish sleep patterns are not interrupted, right? Compression. So I think it's silent because compression of the air usually at that scale should be silent, very quiet, right? Calm place. It works day and night, unlike a solar or tidal systems that depend on light or extreme water movement. It produces constant power with minimal wear and tear, making it ideal for islands and coastal megacities. South Korea tested a 10-dome array off the coast of Jeju Island, generated enough power for 1,200 homes while withstanding typhoon waves with zero mechanical failure. The design scales easily, and its modular nature allows placement without altering the seafloor. It's also disaster resilient, offering electricity during grid collapse scenarios. During grid collapse scenarios, that's good expression, right? We normally say during the disasters, but during the disaster scenarios is some peculiar way or some noble way of saying the same thing. So during grid collapse scenarios, during grid collapse scenarios. Come on, go away. Okay, with global coastlines underutilized for power, Aquapulsar could open a massive new energy frontier, turning oceans into steady, sustainable electricity sources without flooding valleys or disturbing marine habitats in New York, NY, United States. So my country made a big leap here. Well, not really. The electricity generators, there are many different types. One was using the tidal wave to compress air and turn the turbines right there in the sea floor, right, or in the sea, which was floating in the sea. But South Korean engineers used the compressed air through the pipe, then turned the turbines on land. So that's good for maintenance and noise control, and probably could longevity, right? So that's good, right? It's modular, but it requires the land space. Probably you need that space because you need to have transformers to send the electricity the long distance. So we are very smart. KT is very smart too. So if you want to set up your branch office in Korea, you need to talk to me because I provide KT service consultation to foreign companies and also E2 visa holders or F visa holders for their internet, TV, and mobile service needs. Basically, if you are an English teacher in Korea and you need a mobile phone service, you need to come to my office, KT Bangbae Station, right? Thanks for listening. Have a great Tuesday. KT Bangbae Tower, man. KT Bangbae Tower. We're very near to Bangbae Station, the subway line 2.